Hey, I'm Erin with Revisions Mentor, and today we are going to do a DIY tutorial, how to make your own custom fall wreath. I bought a pre-made grapevine wreath several years ago, and then I bought faux flower stems, and I kind of jammed them in there, and I made this kind of rustic, kind of floppy wreath, and I've been using it for a number of years, so it's time to dress it up a little bit, maybe recycle some of these pieces and add some more special pieces to it to make it into something a little bit more visually interesting and a little bit less sloppy. Let's start with some fresh eucalyptus, and this is a fun way to fill in the gaps and dress it up, and it also has a beautiful smell. Next, I'm going to add some fun textures and lighten it up a little bit with some cool pumpkins and some other cute adornments. The kids wanted this really cute hedgehog and I couldn't tell them no, so we're going with it. I'm going to use some pieces of Spanish moss that I've actually collected from trees around here. And then what we do is you throw it in the microwave for about 30 seconds and it kills all the mites on it. So then you can use it in your wreaths and things that are inside your house. fun to be original, it's fun to be one of a kind, but it's also fun to do it without breaking the bank. And I don't know, is it too much to have a hedgehog and a bird in the same wreath? I'm of the mindset that more is more, so let's do it. Bye.